Today we're really excited to be at our dial manufacturer, Bedford Dials. They're a company that achieves day in, day out a lot of what we want to achieve and emulate as a brand. They produce really high quality, high precision parts here right in the heart of the UK. At Apiar, obviously we want to be at the forefront of technology where possible, and so we've automated that process using CNC machining.
A dials manufacturing process is quite a drawn out system. We start with a 3mm billet of brass that gets machined to a flat top section with 2 dial feet that can then be put into our Swiss movement. After our dials have been machined and our customers selected their gear shade, they go to the spray booth, and this is where we can apply different shades of matte finishes to our dials and have different textures as well. Currently for our launch model, we're looking at 5 different colors. These range from matte blacks to onyx grays. We have British racing greens. We're engineers at heart. Everything that we do for the Invenire launch model and Apiar as a brand, we want to have inspired by engineering. And that's why one of the biggest aspects of our brand is to showcase British engineering.
And then finally we move on to the printing of the dial. And that's so that we have the numerals and graduations.
This consists of different steps. We start off by printing our Superluminova minute track around the edge of our dials. This we selected a yellow loom that is white in daylight. And there are different aspects of yellow on our dials. We have the loom and we also have the made in the UK, which is pad printed at the bottom of our dials. The reason why we wanted to highlight this is that British engineering and made in the UK is a key aspect of our brand, and therefore we wanted to highlight this compared to all the other aspects of the dial.
But also I'm interested how you're using modern technology, and I like the fact that you're trying to make as many things as you can in the UK. It's really interesting to us generally how in the last 3 or 4 or 5 years there's a real resurgence, isn't there, of watchmaking in the UK. Britain used to be very good at watchmaking. I think Smiths and other famous names were very, very good back in the day, and then the Swiss of course have got completely brilliant at it, but now it feels like the Brits are kind of coming back quite strong, doesn't it?
At Apiar, we want you to be able to have the ability to design your own watch, and we believe that the dial itself is one of the most important parts of having a watch that you feel a connection to. And therefore, with the dials that we have manufactured here in Bedford Dials, we believe that we give you enough variations and possibilities to ensure that every Invenire that you buy from Apiar is customized to your liking, giving you that true one-of-one or piece unique experience.